Okay. So, yeah, as parrots go, John's been terrific. And the original parrot I had was named John. And I had a cockatiel.
Man.
And the
You're a bird man.
Yeah, I know, the bird man. The cockatiel knew John's name.
Yeah.
And so when John passed away, and the bird actually died of kidney failure. And I found this out because on the island of Baranoff that we lived on, there was a raptor center for eagles. And I took the bird's body over there and had them do a necropsy on it. And they told me that's what it died of, was congenital kidney failure, just like a human would. So I wanted to know, because I wanted to make sure it wasn't something that I had done that caused the bird's demise, you know, fed it the wrong thing, or wasn't paying attention. But anyway, I didn't do anything to him. But I did learn that birds will not indicate that they're sick.
Yeah.
Your first indication they're sick is they're dead in the bottom of the cage. Because they don't want you to know. They don't want anyone to know. It's a beautiful train. Wow. So yeah, I like birds.